Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day it is, welcome! Here's a quick little video clip on how to add someone as an administrator or just enroll someone to your course. So you're going to click on the course. For example, in period 1, and then go down to members, and then click Add Members. So Mrs. Ragoza is going to help me with this class. So you just type in the person's name, and they should appear right here. If it doesn't appear, you might be in the wrong group. So there's different groups you can select from. So make sure you're on the Maywood one. Then click the person's name, add them, and then to make them an administrator, you have to find them in the list. So there she is. All right, I make her an administrator, confirm, and now she has all the accessibility options as an administrator. All right, hopefully I did a good job explaining it. If you have any questions, any problems, or any comments at all, please send me a message through email, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. All right then, take care now. Bye-bye.